What's up, Corona Crew? Welcome back to our recaps. Today we're going to be going over our Wednesday, so yesterday's recap. Hopefully y'all are tuned in, ready to learn something here. We kind of got some downwards price action today, so if we head back to that 5 minute, you can see that trade that we kind of took in the live. We were talking about taking one here, but it ended up breaking it up above the 5 minute 21, and as y'all know, that is our sign to get out. So we went ahead and jumped out on that break of that 21 there. Broke back through, ended up actually coming down, hitting our target, which was this 110-300 level. We talked about this on the stream, but there is some support here as we've actually come down, retested it a couple times in the past, especially recently. So that was kind of our target for today. That's what we were looking for. We kind of went over in the battle box in the live stream with the battle box that there was some resistance here slash support here at 110.8 area. It was saying those were some targets. We were saying, we think it's going to go a little bit farther down to this 110-300 level. That's what we were watching for. Ended up actually coming down, basically hitting that 110-800 level that the battle box was talking about, breaking back up. And that's when we flipped that 21. That's when I actually jumped out of my trade there at that 21, and really kind of sad because we did end up coming back, flipping back, coming back into where it was possible to trade again. That is something though, as we will teach if you go through kind of our course on our channel. We always jump out at the 21. Typically when you see the 21 flip, that's when price starts to change direction, on the 5 minute at least. See that 21 flip, price starts to change direction, flip to the other side. So we'd always just say it's better just to get out than stay in and hope for the better. Ended up being the wrong call, I guess, today, but overall it does save you some money. So we jumped back in though, or we should have jumped back in right here on this retest. Definitely way too fast though. Big wick came up, retested that volume area low, and then broke back down, came down, and we hit our target right there. Could say, we'll get in here as well. Again, already got a retest here, so that coming back up, hitting there, definitely a little bit too late. Would have made me a little bit nervous had I been watching it at about 2 or 3-ish area. Definitely already had kind of been done for the day with some trades, but definitely could have gotten in there. Taking that trade down, you would have actually ended up hitting that 110.3. So if you took both of those, say you made about, I guess they're all about 1-to-1. So you would have made about 200 on that with a $100 trade. So not bad for today, not bad at all. Would have been hard to get into both, like I said, both because the first one was just too fast, and then second one really was not the full-on setup. So just would have been hard to trade there. Moving out, kind of do a little bit of a check of where we're at on the overall long term of the market. You can see we're still in that pattern with the 200 on the top. We got this 110-300 area in the bottom. Now we got 4 retests. So you can see we tested here, bounced back up, tested here, bounced, and then tested here again, bounced back up, and then now we're testing this 4th time right here on this 110-300 level. So definitely it's a level of support to be watching out for. Looking to see if we can break down and continue farther. We are actually in the lower end on our indicators, so we're showing we could get some up run here on both of those. Moving down to the 1 hour, we got same kind of thing, showing some up runs here on both. So really overall, we are looking more bullish on the longer term. Will it continue? We'll see. See how price action plays out in the next couple days, next week or so. But yeah, overall, that's kind of what we're looking at. So hopefully y'all enjoyed that recap. If you did, make sure you like and subscribe. We'll be posting more of these every day. So if you want to kind of see what the recap was for yesterday, learn a little bit about trading, hopefully in our tidbits of information we kind of give out. We're always on here every day. You can also check out our channel. We got a free course on there, just kind of going over how we trade, and really just trading just in general, from kind of you never even looked at a chart to you already pretty much pro trader. And then also our battle box will be in the description as well, so make sure you check that out if you haven't already. It's a pretty cool tool, both in just learning and also just kind of figuring out where support and resistance zones are throughout the market. So yeah, if y'all haven't checked those out, make sure you do. Other than that, happy trading, and we will see y'all next time.